Thursday, 11th of July.
Oh, yes.
The president dissolves cabinet.
The entire cabinet. Oh, yes.
Save for the CS foreign affairs.
Because he's the prime
cabinet secretary,
Musalia Mudavadi. And of course, the deputy president.
The deputy president is a constitutional office.
And I believe so is the attorney general. He's an ex-official. He has a security of tenure. Oh, the way your president no kire amuvute.
Yes. Attorney general no adisaidire we atige wira.
Yes.
Kana ogethie through the long process ya bunge.
So as we stand, mawaziri wote and talking around here and listening around, they are kwenda mauge kou maoto kwao shokono mwe.
Well, that is upon the discretion of president.
Yes.
No, by the action yako abakumafuto there gives you a hint. No wage kumashokia.
Yes. Because given the situation, okone kuholera ire in favor of the president, he would even call for dissolving the parliament.
Hapo kuna kizungumkuti kidogo.
I was actually on phone with Mheshimiwa Ikonya na damu what dissolving parliament ne kugatia. Auga ne ohoroshe will call for a snap election. Snap election ne kugatia.
Githurano kia hina hi.
Andu the 11
ini.
And that includes him.
Hapo habes.
Awes. Hata kama mimi ni yeye. Siwes.
Ujitume nyumbani.
President Agero kama auge according pursuant to article this and the powers vested in me, I am today dissolving parliament. Githurano kegeshoku irefe yo kwa jia iguru.
You see again how hena hando ya riri.
Yes.
Taru as we speak, totiri na constitutionally constituted IEBC.
Yes.
So no corona constitutional crisis. Anigeru gushoka githurano ine.
I am just speaking hypothetically. I get this of parliament. Tell me one time. I get this of parliament. Niggas gonna geshoka kumo president.
Ginya MCA.
You are there any elective post.
Hey, how no hanyita neve.
Niona the president yo nani. Dige mediso.
We na ane.
No kore ando baledi kaine mara shiraya. Lega dia ku madri kaine mbere yao.
You see again how do I get it? No. The deputy president is a constitutional office.
Yes.
There to stay. Unless you go through the long way of parliament, na sio rahisi.
Yes.
Nori tulio issue no ya dissolve parliament kana kuga gwetia githurano kia hina hiri. For one, politically we with the holder of that office ya president no ikuhure muno politically.
Yes.
Tondu ku dissolve ne kuga you have no faith in yourself.
And your entire support system politically, which are the MPs. No gemadi of Marakara, they will all campaign against you. Yes. So I think that is something we might not see.
Yeah, how you have to prosperity sioni.
I'm talking it how anyway. And I think the trajectory is not wrong.
No agariri be. Na kawira waziri ni uri thiogu ritu he.
Yes.
Cabinet ino ya mabiria wira ri 2022.
Yes.
Late 2022.
Yes.
So na matini nete miaka iri hiyo ofisi. Leo nuona munene agokira muthenya umwe akauga nyuothe nyumbani.
No ndo ni uri agutarie.
Okay. You see, I'm looking at a situation.
Yes.
Modo na regia arutiro hado in a very plum job in the private sector.
Yes.
Kiza haiduru let me go serve my country.
Yes.
Ono tani nete miaka iri ri.
Yes.
Wo kake huokanio gia siasa.
No eko kwaja rukura wa milioni watigire weka andu acio.
No kimabatirie cicio tondu wagia bendera.
But you know, in politics, one day in politics is a very long time.
Very long.
Ni hida ila muno muthenya omwe.
Muno.
Oh yes. So, rais kwa leo amesimamisha nini? Legege. Oi. Aldo ya nguru komeni na vasi akere.
Yo.
Da. Ai maratore. Oi, duarere.
Mashogu.
Chogu na assalamu alaikum mure. Serious of the government to implement the CBC. Shall go along the way? We are saying as government we need to actually institute proper measures to make sure
Sima.
Waziri wabutwo akiariria. You know they have activities. Yeah. Waziri handu akiariria. Yeah. No hende ya moi waziri wabutwo. Tewe guthia handu. Okara. Ale hale guthia ni maiguire radio ni wenda iguite. Aoka kerwo. Handu ni kuheo ile feta. Kuheo ile feta boika na hau. Niki? Ai. Na dereva akoya ngari ya thirikari. Dereva megambagia hard brake. Ndio kuma ithe wa. Hende na gweta waziri. Ithe wa ndungu. Ithe wa ndungu riu ni do the necessary. Yingirie ngari borithi. Ni ukurugira Kenya mpya. Ni ukurugira na sigi baba. Abudo kwaragia. We are actually focusing on government policy to actually fast track development within the Horn of Africa and wabutwo dotigane na manyamu mau waria musie baba. So where was I? Excuse me. I think we shall we shall discuss further in other cities. Thank you very much. Thank you. Asanteni sana. We are actually trying to find out how public service can munene kira. Kira ne kwama. Dania. But one thing, all the Wasiris, that's why we are laughing. They are not poor people. They are not. To come on inisia basa leto ne mafutu. Kedadi okia tuada ndulire kwa kina na undani.